Issue here, we have a broken Shimano Ultegra crank. I'm going to show you how to fix it. This is your Ultegra crank and it snaps off. Right, it snaps off at the back there. So it also happens to the Dura-ace as well. So if you've got Dura-ace 11 speed or 10 speed, 11 speed Ultegra 6800, 8000 series, or Dura-ace 9000 or 91, it can fail. Also reports of Shimano R7000 failing. I'll show you exactly what to do. Okay, so this is the deal. Alright, so you've been riding along, you hear a bit of creaking and cracking, and then poof, your crank absolutely explodes in half. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Alright, this happens. It's not a common thing, but it's definitely, you know, if you're a power rider, you definitely want to, you know, if you ride bikes with stiff bottom brackets, you want to make sure that you, this is a very stiff bottom bracket. You can see here, there's a bit of chain suck here from over a year ago, and there's no, you know, this is just stiff. This is on a Pragma glycogen frame. This frame's been abused the last year, still going very strong. So this frame stiff, can crack cranks. This frame here, this is from AliExpress. You won't break any cranks. You'll break the bottom bracket before you break a crank. All right, so this is buyer beware. I won't say what brand it is. We've hidden it up. I don't want to sledge anyone, but that's AliExpress, eBay, Alibaba. Buyer beware. You might get something good, might be legit, and it might be total shit. Anyway, that's the, here we go. It's a good G-spot. Anyway, so we're going to talk about how to fix it. So if you turn the crank over, you can see a crack there, and you can see, what's this? Look at this. So they have a little secret squirrel. Oh, pull it out of there. This little message, little note. You need this. A little smiley face. Isn't that thoughtful? Looks like the back of a Cliff Bar box. And here we have we've got Shimano Bostik industrial strength super glue. So your cranks do. So inside this Dura-ace, if you tap it to the, hear that? Hear that? There's actually a little super glue. It's actually Dura-ace, got this black label. Inside here, the Ultegra gets the blue label, sort of like metallic blue-grey. The Dura-ace gets black label super glue, right? So when you do crack it, there'll be one inside. So listen. You can hear it. It's just about that long, and it's in there. Hollow tech. So it makes sense. You have much room for super glue down there. So what you do is you're going to super glue it back together. Because if you call Shimano, they'll be like, you got a receipt? Never seen that before. And there you go there. So depends if your warranty's valid or not. But that's the reality. So how to fix this Shimano cranks? Just use the super glue. We'll glue him up, put him back on there, and put it back on Facebook Marketplace. And should be good to go, mate. Should be good to go. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah? Can't even tell. Look at that. Just slap it in together. There you go. Just glue it up, mate. Should be right. Put a bit of bog in there. Bog it up. And you'll be on your way. So there you go. That's how you fix a broken Shimano crank. Oh shit, I think I need a bit more glue. That's the deal there. So make sure you check your product. The cracks form on the back side. This is a two-piece sort of clamp thing, so they can separate there. And just have a little look around here. We'll put it on the ground, and we'll show you exactly what to look for. Put it in the bike frame there. This is non-professional videos here. This is real time, real life, and this is why you watch my content, because you want real stuff. You don't want industry bias nonsense. So it's basically two cranks, two alloy things stuck together, glued together, bonded together, and the issue is the glue can start to separate, causing a crack, causing a fail. And this can be a very, very serious situation if you're sprinting. Imagine if you're sprinting and this happens. Imagine that. Imagine that. And so there you go, that's the other half of it there. Okay. So the crack does happen, and then it fails. It doesn't just go bang, it cracks first. So always check your product. Check your product. You know, take your cranks off, or go for the backside and just have a look for any issues. And there you go. Shimano sort of generally, from what I see, what I hear, deny this is an issue. So again, this is where quality control means fuck all, really, doesn't it? You know, this is an F-bomb. Quality control means fuck all. Shimano, one of the biggest manufacturers in the world. Quality control, made in Japan. And look at this crap. You know what I mean? Look at this crap. This is good for the recycling bin. You know how much they charge for this stuff? How much the Dura-ace? I mean, this is deplorable. So quality control means nothing. What means everything to me is real world testing. Does it last in the real world? My bikes, my Pragmas, they last in the real world. Shimano Dura-ace Ultegra might last in the real world. Does it pass quality control? Yes. Does it fail real world tests? In some cases it will. There you go. Check your product and you're good to go. Don't rely on your bike shop to check it. They're busy, they're overwhelmed, or they're ignorant, or they don't care. Learn how to check this stuff yourself, okay? Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Dura-ace 9000-91. Shimano Ultra Gary 6800 8000. Shimano R7000. We are seeing cranks failing as well. Otherwise, they're fantastic. I love Shimano stuff because it fits the absolute black. 4630 for a win. Again, you don't get what you pay for money-wise. You've got to just check your product and use proven stuff. There you go. Thanks for watching. Beautiful. Oh, this is a pen. I think Cookie Man left on Norton Summit. It's a pretty cool pen, isn't it?